want you to know I'm on vacation. I just want to say, a bitch on vacation. A bitch on vacation. I'm on vacation. A bitch on vacation. That's all I gotta say. I'm on vacation. And I'm on vacation. I don't know how I got here, but I got here. Like, so we started off with a brunch. I didn't say hello. I didn't say hey. I didn't say welcome back to my channel. I didn't say none of that. Anyways, welcome back. If you're new, thank you for watching. So, it's 6:50 in the morning, and I'm actually headed to work. I got home yesterday at like 8 o'clock. Oh my God, 8 o'clock. And I did not feel good. It's not that I didn't feel good. I just knew, you know, at this moment, she knew she fucked up. That's the moment that I was on. That's the moment that I was on. So, yeah. Today's Monday. I leave literally Friday. So I have, you don't know the things I have to do from now to at least till Thursday. Well, no, the things I have to do till Wednesday, because Thursday, that schedule on Thursday, huge. Y'all don't understand. So y'all just gonna get ready with me, pack with me, so I can get ready. A bitch about to get her lashes done, and I'm about to be ready for vacation. My lash pick. So I'm getting ready. Don't talk about me. It's a little crusty. Yeah. Listen, your girl lashes is up and ready. And cause guess what? Guess what, y'all? I'm on vacation. Listen, lashes done. Cause y'all got me messed up. Lashes done. It's ready now. I just got home. I'm gonna take a quick shower, and I'm going to start packing something. Something has to go in this luggage. Ooh, and look what I got. Look what I got. My last package. My last package. My last package. This was my last minute packaging. Yeah, I need to do my nails. Look at these shits. I am not gonna lie. Like, this is the worst packing I've ever did. Like, this is the most stressful packing. What the hell am I doing? Like, seriously.
Don't hit me. Somebody was beating me up.
The three amigos. And what? We on what? We on vacation.
Not yet. I'm not saying that yet. I got another no. Yeah, we prepared for it. We preparing for it.
I'm on vacation.
Now you have on your work clothes.
Oh shit! First of all, I cut myself in the middle of the night. All right, we're gonna go to what?
Go get tested.
I was about to say the cave.
Oh, okay. I don't know what's wrong with you. It's not even 8 o'clock.
We're going to a testing site. We need to go get tested. So now I gotta go to work. Just like this. My dad said, "You're not gonna do your hair." I said, "It's done." How you gonna tell me how my curls should lay? It's done.
And then I was like this. She said, "No, open your mouth." Okay. Oh, ma'am. What are you doing?
We took our test and it was in our mouth. This is ridiculous.
Oh, jeez. Everybody tilt their
I was like this.
You watched her.
I was like this. Wait, she hit her mouth? And she said, open wide. So, I just want y'all to know it is 9 o'clock. Just ask me if I've started putting stuff in my luggage. Ask me. Because guess what my answer is? No. It's just, I will show you my whole entire room. It is a hot mess. A hot flipping mess. Like, and then now I'm watching this show called Put a Ring on It. Yeah, I'm so fucking excited. Oh my flipping God. Listen, today's Wednesday. Today is flipping Wednesday. And I have it till 5 o'clock. Maybe I can have something a little early. I don't want to be too greedy. But today I leave at 5 o'clock from work. Okay, if y'all see this right here, I don't know. I went to sleep on what? On Monday. Woke up with a scratch nose. I don't know who was fighting me last. But maybe it was just a little scratch. Yeah. Coming to the essence. I need to get rid of. Oh my God, your girl is on vacation. Yo, let me tell y'all. I'm on vacation and I'm mentally ready. It's because I ain't even take 95. I took the express on 95. I paid $10 whole. Hell, because I'm on vacation and I don't have time to wait. I don't have time to wait. So if you're in my way, I need you to move it. Move it now. It is 11:24 and I took everything out of my luggage and started over. This is the most stressful thing. Like, I know I'm only there for 4 days, but it's just, I'm just trying to make sure I have everything. Like, I just want to make sure. It's so hard. I'm actually tired. But I know when I get to Jamaica, I know that my energy is not going to be tired. So, yeah, I was going to do my hair tonight. Blow wash it and blow dry. But I think I'm going to do it in the morning. I don't know. But I'm going to finish this packing. I might have to get a carry-on because this is almost at 50 pounds. And I'm trying to see if I could take my ring light and my speakers because I really do have some content for y'all. Like, seriously, content. Y'all don't make fun of me. I had to put this hat on because I did not dry my hair. I did not dry my flipping hair. Good morning. It is Thursday, y'all. It is freaking Thursday. I'm sorry if I have food in my mouth, in my teeth. I did not brush my teeth after because I gotta go. It's 7:41. I have an 8 o'clock wax appointment. Yeah, last night I went to sleep at like 12 o'clock and whatever. So, cause guess what? Bitch, on vacation. I'm headed to the wax place, and after that, I think there's a nail place next to it. I don't know what time they open. So I'm gonna do my nails. I still don't know what I'm gonna do my nails. I don't know what to do. I don't know if I should put nails on or I should not put nails on. I don't know. I don't know. Comment down below, even though I won't see it after. Comment down below and let me know, like, should I have done short or should I have done long? Or I don't know if I want to add color to my nails or if I want like that French, white on white French. It's like I think I want that. And it's like I'm a classy bitch. Come on, bitch.
I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never.
Listen, y'all, I just got waxed, and all I gotta say is, what the fuck?
Work, to me, I be work. You see me do me dirt. So me by that work. When you walk out, before the table turn. Beg you something, please. Baby, don't you leave. Don't leave me stuck here in the streets. If I got another chance to, I will never neglect you. I mean, who am I to hold your best against you? I just hope that it gets to you. I hope that you see this through. I hope that you see this true. What can I say? Please recognize I'm trying, baby. I feel why. You see me, I feel why. You see me do my da. So me by that why. When you walk out, when the guy from my touch.
Yeah, okay, you need to get done. That work, come on.
Y'all, I need to hurry up. It's 11 o'clock. My hair appointment's at 1 o'clock. And I need to blow dry my hair. I just did my nails. It looks cute from a distance, right? If you look real close, I don't want to embarrass myself, but if you look real close, like these are okay, but this thumb is kind of bothering me. But it's not bad. First of all, this is not the shape that I wanted. That's one. It was like a soft oval, like it looks, you can tell that it's still coffin shape, but then I don't know, I just left it alone. But it's actually cute from a distance. It's really cute. The whole concept is cute. It's cute. But I gotta go. Let me put this AC on. I gotta go. I still got to look in the back. I gotta blow dry my hair. The good thing is about like 10 minutes away from my house. So let's see. Y'all, I got my hair done, y'all. Yeah, girl, I gotta wear it. I got to wear it. Okay, but your girl is ready for vacation, baby. Ready for vacation. Listen, I need to wear it because it's very poofy. It's not bad, but it's very poofy. It's something I need to get used to for this trip, but definitely need to wear it because it needs to be more down because it's a little so poofy. And you want to know what's crazy is I'm tired. Like, I'm legit tired. Let me start driving. I am so tired. Y'all don't understand. Like, ooh. Where am I? 441 down. Because that's where I'm at. Ooh. So, there's cops all over there. I'll turn this way. But, there's cops over here too. What is going on? There's a lot going on. Cute. So the last time you saw me, I had my nails. I ended up going to Walmart, and I forgot to record at Walmart because your girl was just going fast. Do you not know what time it is? 9 o'clock, And I told y'all earlier, I wanted to be in the bed by 7. It's 9 o'clock. I want to be in the bed and edit my video by 7. Like, I want to be in the bed and do my video by 7. I was going to go to sleep probably 8:30. It's 9 o'clock. Update on my nails. I told y'all I wasn't feeling it. I'm not feeling these either, but it looks better than before. Okay? I just left it alone because I did not have time to go back and forth. I don't. I just said fuck it. I'll fix it when I get back. I am not looking for anybody anyways. I'm just there to have a good time. So, yes. So, y'all saw I did my hair. I finished packing finally, as y'all can see. My luggage. My big one and my small one. What else? I think that's it. Like, y'all, like less than 24 hours, less than 12 hours. What? 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I lied. Less than about 15 hours. I'm about to be at the airport. And guess what? Y'all say hi. Say hi. The other one getting her hair done. So, she's done. So, yes. If I don't have the same energy as the beginning of the video, just know I'm tired. I'm tired. I said I need to catch up all my sleep for the weekend. But y'all know when y'all on vacation, your energy just changes and you're not tired no more. You get... I'm not tired no more. I'm not nothing. So... You wake up when before the sun come up. You up already. Sunrise, me. So, yeah. So, I'm going to edit this video. Y'all going to see this video on Saturday. But, y'all already know. I don't know if I said where I was going. I don't remember if I said. But all I know is, I think I've been saying I'm going on vacation. But y'all really don't know where I'm going. So, if you have me on Instagram, you'll know where I'm going. But, guess what? What, T? We on what? She had to fuck it up. She had to fuck it up. Embarrassing. But your girl is on vacation and your girl ain't playing. And guess what? Your girl is on vacation. So you already know. Yeah. So thank y'all for watching. It's all over the place. I packed. I did this. Y'all seen a little brunch. That's what fuck. You know what? Let me say it really quick because I'm already chatting too much. What messed me up was brunch. That's what messed me up. Brunch weekend messed me up. That's all I gotta say. That's all I gotta say. So it is what it is. Phew. Like, comment, and subscribe to your girl. I really appreciate every single one of y'all. I really do love y'all. And I'm going to see y'all. And listen, after this weekend, y'all going to see what I have in store for y'all. And you guys are going to be so happy and so proud of me. Y'all going to be proud of me. But your girl is working. I'm working. I'm on vacation, but I'm working. So y'all going to be proud. So like, comment, subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.